As a grower, you strive to achieve the highest yield possible. But some growers may be unable to see the wood for the trees with such a high variety of different products available. This is especially the case during the blooming phase, where you are looking to enhance flavor, stimulate essential oil production, and accelerate flower formation, while still needing to make sure the crop has plenty of nutrients.
You're right, Angela, but the solution is simple.
Bloombastic!
Atami's Atta Bloombastic is a multiple internationally award-winning, all-in-one bloom additive that works as a stimulator, hardener, and taste enhancer.
Bloombastic is a highly concentrated cocktail, especially the concentrations of phosphorus, potassium, and iron are higher than you are used to for a blooming additive. Phosphorus is required to provide the plant with the energy it needs to thrive during the bloom phase. It is the phosphate-rich ATP molecule that is responsible for transporting the energy gained by photosynthesis. With this in mind, we've added iron to the mix to further support the photosynthesis. Potassium has several roles. It controls the opening of the plant's stomata, responsible for gas exchanges. Also, it directs water towards important locations, like fruits, in a way that it functions as a hardener.
But another important part of Bloombastic are plant extracts that have been proven to accelerate the bloom and ripening phases. You'll notice this after just one day.
That's right, Tammy. The production of essential oils is also strongly increased, enhancing your crop's flavor and smell.
Bloombastic really is an all-in-one bloom additive. And since you'll only need 0.5 milliliter per liter of solution, it's economical as well. So why not try out our award-winning Bloombastic right now? And don't forget to join the Atami universe.